Alright guys, C4 Motorsports here. Today we're going to be taking and painting this wing up here, and we're going to go ahead and put the graphics on that and the wing stuff back there. Get this all ready to go for 2019 racing season. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to paint this, get it cleaned up, paint it, and we're going to go from there. Alright, we got the coat on everything but the bottom of that part of it, but it'll be all the paint that gets. It's all just blue, so not really look at it. A little wrinkle right there, but it's just gonna be for show. So I don't have any winged races this year, so I'm not too worried about it. But give about 15-20 minutes. We're gonna flip this so I can paint the underside of this right here. Get that done, I can throw some graphics on it, and we'll show you how we do that. Alright, the wing is all painted. Now we're getting ready to put the graphics on the wing. There's two of these. Two of those side ones, and then a middle one that'll go right here. But as soon as that dries up a little bit more on the wing, we'll get started on putting these on. If they fit, hopefully. They're gonna be close. Alright, well, due to the sticker on the side being so huge, taking up the whole side of my wing, these are way bigger than what they should have been. I'm gonna have to put my number up here on the inside of the wing board on this side, and then I'll do the same on the other side also, but it'll actually be on the right side because that part of the wing is bigger than the other side. So for now I'm gonna put this on here too. Had to kind of angle it to get that on there, so that was pretty big. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the C on and we'll get back with you. Alright, sorry about all the wires in the way. We got the heat gun and everything else plugged in, but you get the idea. So I'm on the back side of the wing right now, so that's why that one seems like it's upside down. But I'll walk around, maybe get a... I haven't put the side one on yet, but this side's bigger than the other side, so that sticker should all fit on there with my number. That won't look too bad. You can still see where the other sticker was at on there that I peeled off. The glue stayed on there. Couldn't get it off for nothing. But the carbon fiber look to the Max's Rebel Run turned out pretty good. And then I made the C4s. So always room for more sponsors if I can get them. Hopefully. It'd be nice. It's expensive racing. So I'm gonna get this sideboard on and maybe I'll videotape that one. Maybe. We'll see. That's next though. Now we'll go ahead and hit it with the heat gun to get some of these little creases and bubbles, and that was pre-creased when the sticker was still on there. So if we get all that stuff out with the heat gun and smooth it out real nice. Alright, this is what we're looking like on just the wing. Figure I'll give you an overview of it real fast. There it is. So now we're going to be on to putting the graphics on that. Well, what's left of that. I already have the hood and stuff done, which I didn't even think to get video of, but we'll get that out here and I'll show that to you too. Alright guys, brought the hood back, put it on it. Figure I'll show that to you too, since I didn't get no videos of putting all that graphics on there. That was a pain in the butt, man. So now we're going to put the rest of the graphics on. We'll probably roll it out a little bit so it's easier to get to. Kind of tight quarters in this 2-car garage. That trailer here we gotta get done. That'll be a next video. But for right now, we're gonna finish putting the graphics on this, and I need to get my seat in there too. So I don't want to be sitting on a bar. So get that on. I gotta get my numbers and stuff on the tail tank, but let's get the main graphics on first, and then we'll do that. Which I actually need to print off another sticker because I'm missing one for the tail tank. So for now, let's get the side graphics on, and it's gonna be fun. Alright guys, this side was a pain in the butt, so we didn't videotape any of it because I'd have had to edit out a lot of cuss words. But this is what it ended up being. We still gotta hit it with the heat gun to work the bubbles and stuff out of it yet, but this side is done. Aside from the number on the tail tank, I have to print another one of those, so I'll put one on the other side because I have it, but I gotta print another one for this side. Got my YouTube play button there. Should get a subscribe button. Get you guys to subscribe. I can make more of these videos then. But this is what it turned out like on this side. I'll try to get some more footage of the other side going on, but this side was just a real pain in the butt, so I just didn't videotape it. So I'll try to get some more of the other side. Alright guys, we got it on there. We just gotta peel off the backer. It was a pain in the butt still. That's why none of it lined up. The graphics were big enough to do like 3 of these things. So I had to cut pieces off of it to make it at all work even close. I don't know what the heck they were thinking, but I'll get some other stickers here and there on there just to kind of fill in some of the empty spots, make it look more like a race car. But got a couple other stickers to get, but I'll just go ahead and peel this off, and then we'll get the heat gun out and get all the air bubbles out and get pushed around all the rivets and stuff all the way back and get the wrinkles out. So we'll get to you then. Alright, I got some more of the little stickers here and there on it. I still got to do the numbers. I'm just going to remake the ones that I got for the tail tank because they're a little bit big. I'm going to make them a little bit smaller and make some new ones and throw them on there. You guys don't need to see that. It's just putting a sticker on. Threw some other just odds and ends stickers on. I got to put, there's going to be a couple more of these, my Punisher emblems. There's going to be a couple more of those put on here yet. And I got to put my name here. And I want to try to throw on a C4 Motorsports on there somewhere also. And people that way they'll know it's on. I got a Facebook one too, but the blue is the same color blue as the car, so that ain't no good. But that's what we're looking like. I guess I got all that done. Which this is just for the shows, car shows and stuff I go to. A lot of times I'll just throw a wing on it. I don't actually have any races this year with the wing on it, so I'll just throw that on for car shows because my sponsor, my main sponsor is Max's Rebel Run, and it is a car show, so obviously that's one of the car shows I got to go to. So And probably the only other thing I'll end up doing is I'll outline the C4s in white. I'll just paint that in. I just now imagine an outline to white. And then on the white ones on the back tank, I'll probably just outline those in black. I'll give those a black outline. So imagine those are the black outline and those are the white outline, and that'll be about all I'm going to do to it. Alright, that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for today on the car. Got all the stickers on that I'm going to put on for right now. Go ahead and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.